Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Yorkshire Media. I am Mark, your host, your entertainment officer, whatever you want me to be. And yes, I am cheaper and better than the BBC. I bring you exciting videos like Taste Test Friday. So, got a taste test for you. Chicken Tikka Baguette. That's what I'll be eating, that's what I'm going to be testing today. Never had this one. So. Nice, so if you want to wonder what the drink is, what I do, it's all orange juice for 80p. It's all sugar free. I like that. Got big chunks of chicken in it. It's got a lashings amount of chicken tikka. It's not too hot as well. Bit expensive that one for $1.99, but it is what it is. It's nice, is that nice chicken tikka. Just the right amount of food in it. People ask me all the time, is chicken tikka hot? I say yeah. It's nice and spicy. It's not too hot. It's just like a mild curry. Because that's what you get. Yeah, that's nice. That is really nice. And for a nice quick taste test, it's not bad that. I've never had a chicken tikka salad until now. I could have got some wraps what they would do as well. So chicken tikka cost me £2. Not a bad little sandwich, is it? It won't fill you like, but it just takes that edge off your hunger. It's a little bit, I think it's dear myself. I think it could it'd have been better. What? £1.99, £2. I think it's a little bit dear, but it's alright, I suppose, for Premier. And the prices have gone up, so there you go. So that's my full taste test for today. I mean, chicken tikka's nice, it really is. And you get big chunks of chicken. I have got a salad sandwich for later. Chicken tikka salad. I thought I had to get it because it's a bit. I don't know, I never had it before. I've heard of it, but I never had it. So that's a nice. There's love with that. Would I get it again? Would I buy it again? No. I don't think I would. Not at the price I wouldn't. Not at £1.99. At £1.25 or £1.10 maybe, but not at £1.99. I can get a chicken tikka sandwich from uptown a little bit cheaper than that. So it's not too bad. So there you go. If you like this, yo, chicken tikka Friday. If you like this tikka Friday or taste test Friday and things like that, if you have liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Please like the video. Please subscribe if you're new. It's free to subscribe to, so you might as well. I'm not going to charge you for watching me and all like that. Like I say, I'm cheaper than the BBC. I'm a lot better than the BBC. I'm more factual than the BBC and things like that. So hit the bell. Hit that bell icon. Hit all. That will let you know when I put up another video. Please share the video to your friends and your family and to whoever you want to, your boss or whatever. And please share it with other social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Bing, and everyone like that. And also comment. Please comment below. Use the comment section below. Please comment below. I do answer every comment, or I try to do. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now. Bye.